Beautiful people out there, it's Mommy
and Maddie.
Yes, so this is not our Mommy and Maddie channel, but if you guys would like to subscribe to our channel, it's a kid-friendly channel, then you can do so down below. The link will be down below. So if you guys would like the kid videos, the kid hair tutorial videos on this channel, let me know down below. If you prefer on the other channel, let me know down below as well. In today's video, we're going to talk about hair. As you guys can tell, we have very different hair textures from each other, so I want to talk about that today. I know in a few of my hair care videos you guys were wondering and stuff like that, so I want to talk about that today. So without any further ado, let's get it. So as you guys can see, our hair textures are very different from each other. I'm not good at the whole hair typing thing, but from what I've researched, I have 4C hair, so my hair is really thick and kinky and stuff like that, and from what I saw, she has 3A hair. So on that range, our hair is pretty different. So I want to thank you all so much for all the positive love, the comments that you guys have given her on her hair care videos and stuff like that. I really appreciate it. I love doing those kind of videos because I didn't realize that there were so many moms out there inquiring about what type of products were good for their children's hair and all of that, and just the messages, the emails that you guys have sent me. I really appreciate it. I'm so glad I started because the love and support has been amazing. Now, there were a few comments that are just grind my gears. I wanted to stop doing it at one point because I don't understand how anybody can attack or criticize an innocent child. Like, thank God the positives always outweighs the negatives, so that block game be strong because you're not about to attack my daughter. That's what you're not gonna do, is attack an innocent child, okay? All right. People are saying she has white people hair or whatever the case is, and it's like, she doesn't have any curls. How is she mixed but she doesn't have any curls, or whatever the case is? So let's talk about that, shall we? Her hair started growing when she was 1.5 years old, like close to when she was 2. So for the first 1.5 years of her life, she had no hair. Like, her hair was straight bald, like how my son is. Her hair was like that for a year, almost 2 years. At one point in time, I was a little concerned because I was like, oh my God, like, her hair is just straight. Is it gonna grow or not? But, you know, I didn't think too much into it. But I didn't worry too much about it because I was like, okay, eventually it will grow when it's supposed to grow. So once she hit that 1.5 mark, her hair started coming out. And when it came out, it was curly. So I was like, oh, okay, her hair is finally growing. They weren't tight spiral curls, but they were curls or whatnot. So I was like, okay, her hair is finally growing. So after that, her hair started growing some more, and it started growing some more. And before I knew it, her hair was halfway down her back. So I was like, oh my gosh. This whole time I was wondering if her hair was gonna grow, and it finally grew. But as it grew, the curls started, you know, the curls were still coming, but as it kept growing straight. So I was like, whoa, okay, what's going on? So now her hair is curly at the end, but straight at the top. How? I don't know. So if you guys don't know, she is mixed. She's mixed with white and black. Her dad is white, German. He's German or whatnot. So when he had long hair, his hair was straight, like bone straight, and he had highlights in his hair. So she definitely has his hair color, and she definitely has a mixture of mostly his hair, but the curls, I guess it comes like just a little splash for me. It's kind of cool when you think about how genetics work, because obviously, you know, daddy's genes took over. How we take care of her hair. So if you guys have been checking out our videos, you guys know that when I do her wash routine, you guys know what we use, you know how we do it and everything. When it started growing like on its own and it started getting long, what we've been doing is trimming her hair, making sure that when we do wash her hair, we use the proper products. We use the tangling brush, and we, you know, like I said, if it's in the daytime, then we'll use the diffuser to kind of dry her hair, but at night we'll let it air dry or towel dry. We'll towel dry it really quick. I mean, we'll towel dry it really well, so that way she's not laid on the pillow and the pillow gets wet from her wet hair. And also making sure that she wears a silk bonnet at night because her hair is really fine. Just want to make sure her hair stays silky and all that. So she sleeps with a bonnet on at night. Sometimes it comes off because she is a wild sleeper, but for the most part it does stay on, and she likes to wear it. So if you guys would like to know about my hair, I just did a video about how my hair grew in 3 years. I can link it up here if you guys would like to check it out. So how do I manage her hair? Pretty much I don't use products that I know aren't going to work for her hair. I can use a twisting cream, pomade, or something from a product line on my hair. I know it will work for my hair. I can't use that on her hair because it's going to weigh her hair down, and her hair texture is just not meant for certain products. So I'm not going to sit here and put grease on her hair. I'm not going to put this product on her hair or that product because it's just not going to work. I only use products that I know work for her hair. So like oil sheen, or like she has a curl spray, so I'll spray it and it'll like, you know, moisturize her hair and bring her little curls and stuff like that. We have certain products that we use for her hair that will, you know, make her hair, that will keep her hair fine and it won't weigh her hair down. And when we use those products, we try not to use too much because too much will weigh her hair down. So her hair does tend to get frizzy and tangled at times. With the proper care and using the proper products, it does not weigh her hair. And pretty much just care for her hair the way it is. Like, I know, I see my child's hair every single day, so I know what I should do, what I should not do, what I can't use, what I can use. And from that, her hair has been growing, is in good condition, and all that good stuff. Like, I'm not going to put faux locks in her hair, or, you know, I'm not going to, like, you know, try to cornrow her hair really tight because it could pull out her hair. So if I try to do a twist out on her hair, it's going to loose because her hair is not as kinky as mine and it won't stay. Just caring for her hair the way it is works for her, and it also works for us, especially with her hair. Her hair has gotten very long. I can insert a picture or a little snippet of how her hair was 2 years ago to what it is now. I mean, her hair just grew out of nowhere, and I'm just like, oh my God. And it's just because we take proper care of it, we trim it, and we use products that we know work for her hair. We both have different textures, but in the end of the day, this is how God made us. It's nothing we can do about it. So I'm not going to change her hair because it's not a certain type, or because she's mixed, it's supposed to look a certain type of way. God is in control, and he made her the way she is, hair, eyebrows, and all. So we have different hair textures, and this is how we manage it. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, there's a mom out there that's in a similar situation as me, then let me know down below as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!